Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss the Norwegian preposition unne, unne, unne in detail. The depth and flexibility of the Norwegian language can often be seen in its prepositions, and unne, unne, unne is no exception. A simple word with varied applications, unne, 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 is integral to conveying an array of meanings. Let's explore its diverse uses illuminated with examples. Direct translation, below or beneath. The most straightforward use of unne, unne, unne indicates something below another object or point of reference. For example, boken under bordet. Boken under bordet. Boken under bordet. The book is under the table. Katten sover under sengen. Katten sover under sengen. Katten sover under sengen. The cat sleeps under the bed. Metaphorical usage. Norwegian, like many languages, employs under in a figurative sense. For example, han under press. Han under press. Han under press. He's under pressure. De arbeider under vanskelige forhold. De arbeider under vanskelige forhold. De arbeider under vanskelige forhold. They work under difficult conditions. Indicating age. It can be used to signify an age lower than a specific number. For example, det er gratis for barn under 12 år. Det er gratis for barn under 12 år. Det er gratis for barn under 12 år. It is free for children under 12 years. Det er ikke tillatt for personer under 18 år. Det er ikke tillatt for personer under 18 år. Det er ikke tillatt for personer under 18 år. It's not allowed for people under 18 years. During conditions or circumstances, under can allude to a particular circumstance or time frame. Under mitt besøk i Norge så jeg nordlys. Under mitt besøk i Norge så jeg nordlys. Under mitt besøk i Norge så jeg nordlys. During my visit to Norway, I saw the northern lights. Under krigen var det mange utfordringer. Under krigen var det mange utfordringer. Under krigen var det mange utfordringer. During the war, there were many challenges. Indicating control or supervision. This preposition can convey a sense of oversight or governance. Prosjektet er under kontroll. Prosjektet er under kontroll. Prosjektet er under kontroll. The project is under control. Han er under overvåking. Han er under overvåking. Han er under overvåking. He's under surveillance. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website, nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.